The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. A child in Los Angeles has been abducted and was last seen at Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. The child's name is Noah Blake. A white male, 5 feet and 4 inches tall, 10 years of age, weighs 147 pounds. He was last seen wearing a Vans t-shirt, black sweatpants and gray shoes. It has believed that this child is in extreme danger. The suspect's identity is unknown at this time. If you see Noah Blake or the suspect, call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned on this catastrophic situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. Police has identified the suspect. He is 30 years of age. His name is William Afton, a white male, 9 feet tall, brown hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a purple security vest, black security pants, brown shoes and a purple security hat. William was a serial killer from 1974. In addition, Noah Blake has been killed by William Afton. His body is still unknown at this time. This is an unexplainable phenomenon. Stay tuned as this situation develops. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. William Afton released a gas in the air. The gas has believed to be very contagious. Anyone who smells or investigates the gas, they will witness nausea, vomiting, confusion, fever, blindness, fear of water and most of all, death. If you see William Afton, go to a basement or attic, if possible. If you don't have a basement, go to a closet, attic or bathrooms right now. Do not go outside, or William will kill you. Please stay tuned on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. William Afton summoned millions of zombies all over the entire state of California. The zombies can swarm anyone in their sight. It is recommended that you stay in your shelter until further notice. William is now headed to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria to summon more zombies. In addition, William launched a nuclear bomb at the western part of California. The impact will result in less than 10 hours. The zombies has swarmed 4 cities in California. These cities include San Francisco, San Diego, Santa Rosa, and Sacramento. If you live in any of these cities, go to an underground shelter immediately. In another addition, the zombies will start spreading when people get swarmed. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. Police have taken down William Afton, and the zombies has disappeared. It is safe to get out of your shelter now. The nuclear bomb has disappeared along with the zombies. Also, Noah Blake is getting treated to a hospital. We are happy that you all survived. We can now continue to regular programming.